just in case some of you have some stains, but your carpet's really good, you don't want to replace your carpet, permanent stains can be repaired. It's called bonded inserts. And we can make it look just like nothing's there. After we glue it, look good. I'm working on this one now. And this is how we do it.